In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google, and this way access Autofill with Google section. From it, select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible, or if it's too long, select Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!